It's story time. Story time. Let's read this story time. Story time. I'm geeked, it's story time. Story time. You and me is story time. Story time. Let's achieve. Hello and welcome to what number is it? Do you know? I think it might be number 19. Episode 19 of Storytime with Kayla. Wow. We did it, you guys. I'm glad you've been a part of me for this fun journey. Well, guess what? Today, for our story today, we are going to read something called Rain. Now, it's not so rainy out right now today. See? No rain. Today that I'm filming, it's Wednesday. It's very, very nice on Wednesday. I'm not sure how the weather will be on Sunday when we're all watching this video. Maybe it's rain. I don't know. It's still spring, so maybe it might rain. Are we ready? Ready, set, let's begin.
Rain. Story by Linda Ashman. Rain, rain! Nasty galoshes, blasted overcoat, there goes my hair. Is it raining cats and dogs? It's raining frogs and pollywogs. Hippity hop. Good morning, sir. Hartley dang palo. Good morning, young man. Ribbit. Enjoy your paper. Just more bad news. How are you, Mr. Frog? Hop, hoppity, hop, hop, hoppy, hoppy, hop, hop, hop. Finally, we're here. Coffee, black. Cocoa and cookies, please. Yum! Delicious. Watch out! Sorry. Ribbit? His hat. Hey, wait! You! That one too. Mine. Ribbit. Yum. Welcome back, sir. Ribbit. The end.
Wow, that was a pretty cool, cute little book about rain. I liked it. Now, it's a toss-up of what our activity is going to be today, so we're going to just jump right ahead along and see what the activity thing brings. What activity comes our way, what comes flying our way. Ready, set, let's begin.
Hi guys, here are 5 activities you can do to ditch the TV and the tablets on a rainy day. Ready, set, let's begin.
thank you so much for joining me on episode 19 of Storytime with Kayla. I've had so much fun with you, but it's time to sing some goodbyes. Goodbye, 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 my friends. Goodbye to you. I hope to see you again real soon. Be proud of all your work tonight. Now climb into bed and sleep real tight. On the count of 3, let's say goodnight. 1, 2, 3. Good night. Can you give me a napkin real quick? Thank you. And can you push that?